What's up, guys? This is Sean from Srkcycles, and I'm riding one of the meanest Yamahas to come out of wherever Yamahas come out of. Who really knows? This is the 2012 Yamaha Raider, and it's a bad bike. Let's take it for a spin. I like how it's what's different about it is you really kind of sit inside the bike because the tank comes up and the back of the seat comes up. It's got a little more of a rake to it. I mean, they're drag bars, but the way they're so close to me. So what is a Street Glide, Honda Rune, Honda Goldwing, BMW K1600 GTL all have in common? One, they're all for sale at my dealership. But two, we would only ever use tank straps to transport these bikes. Check out tank straps, the link's below. They're for sale on Amazon. All right, guys, let's do the words of wisdom. Micah 6:8, he has told you, oh man, what is good and what does the Lord require of you? But to do justice and to love kindness and to walk humbly with your God. All right. Now this is the bike that Ben took. Me, Ben, and Caleb all took a ride the other day. This is the bike that Ben took. I think it was a great choice. Yeah, this is this all-around muscle bike. This is Yamaha's big daddy heavyweight competitor in the muscle bike arena. And it's a mean motor. No doubt about it. It's got great sound, it's got great styling, and it's also unique styling. And I love the way it feels. You're really kind of sitting inside the bike. Your feet are out, they're not too far out, but they're out enough that it's comfortable. That little windshield, you know what? First time for everything, I'm gonna say I like it. And I'll tell you why. It's sleek. It's not some big old goofy giant windshield. You barely see it, but I'm sure it's helping you out a lot. I'm sure there's a lot of wind that's not hitting me because of that windshield. Now they put this engine in a couple different bikes. The Raider, the Stradaliner, and the Roadliner. I love them all because it's a mean engine. It really is. The Roadliner and Stradaliner are much bigger, well, they're bigger looking. Let's see if I get the front end off the ground. Oh! Nope. And for a big bike with a big fat back tire, I'm actually surprised with how good I can just kind of whip it in the corners. What makes it a lot easier to whip in the corners is that it's got pegs and floorboards, because pegs sit so much higher. If this had floorboards, I'd have been dragging pretty hardcore back there. Let's get on it a little bit. Every gear pulls so hard. What a blast to drive. Now, is this the bike that I want to take a really long trip on? I don't know. Maybe. I mean, there's no place to put any luggage, so maybe not. Maybe the Strat or the Roadliner might be better for it, but you can definitely do it. Pack light. But is this the bike that just sits in your garage and you're having one of those days and you're just itching? Maybe you had a bad day, maybe you had a good day. But what you want to do is to ride around, wake your neighbors up a little bit, but then just feel this. get to feel that at every single stoplight, every single corner, as long as you don't go to jail. That's what this bike is for. And I love muscle bikes. And what's interesting the most is the people who are initiating the muscle bikes, you know, who are really like, I don't know, I think who are really doing the muscle bikes the best way are the imports. Let me know what you think about that. I mean, I know the V-Rod's great and stuff like that. I just feel like there's way more import muscle bikes. Maybe it's because there's more import bike companies. I don't know. It's a new idea. It just popped in my head. Take that corner nice and tight. And then roll on the throttle. What a fun bike. The cool thing is you don't need like highway pegs. Your legs are already out there. Yamaha really does make a great machine. And what size? I think this is a 113 cubic inch. A 113 cubic inch motor. That is a big boy. I don't know if Yamaha's ever made anything bigger since, or ever. Guys, check in the description below. We got a lot of cool stuff. Don't forget, if you're looking to transport your bikes, you got to get some tank straps. We actually just bought a set of our competitor straps, Rhino straps. I wanted to compare them, see what they were like. I'm gonna do my own tests on them. And they are small. They're small, they're light gauge. I'm sure you can successfully transport a bike that way. But I wouldn't trust my bike multiple times with it. Not in the capacity we do it. We're transporting bikes all day long. And I know even my oldest strap is more than capable of suspending a bike over my head, you know what I mean? And holding it down for a long ride. Guys, that wraps it up. This is Sean from Srkcycles. The Raider's a beast. The Raider's a mean bike. This bike is for sale. Check it out, srkcycles.com. We'll see you guys later. Remember, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going. What's up, guys? Sean here from Srkcycles, and thanks for watching the video. Click here to subscribe, click here to see more content, and as always, check out the description box to see our latest inventory and our killer deals, to see how to win a free motorcycle, and also to see our latest bikes and beards gear. We'll see you guys later. Remember, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going.